Hello everyone. Previously we have discussed about the core feature of the admin center, Exchange Admin Center. So basically, previously we have discussed about the recipient and how we can manage the user from the recipient from Exchange Admin Center. So today we are going to discuss about the some rules related features in the mail flow. So what exactly you can do through the mail flow. So mail flow have the multiple option that you can use it, like firstly we'll discuss about the message trace. So message trace, you can understand the name is showing that like a trace, so it's giving you the tracing options that where you can get the output as per your query. Like for example, if somebody has sent a mail to external user or internal user and you need to check the status is delivered or not. Okay, also you can see the number of the today the one of my user how where he shared the mail or he sent the mail external or internal the organization. So for how you can use it, that so in the default query we the Microsoft have the predefined set of rules that you can use it for tracing the rules. Also you can create your own trace. So you can just click on the trace, start trace, and just type the mail id of the sender. Like for example, if I'm sending I'm putting the mail id Ritik Patel, and the recipient mail id I need to check. I need a whole recipient, so I don't require a particular domain and particular mail id. You can put it as per your time, as per your requirement. You can add your custom domain, or you can filter out based on the mail id, so you can put the mail id over here. Also have the time range options that you can use it. Okay, I just want to see the last 10 days. I want to show that the mails. Okay, the delivery status you can set up as per your requirement. If you have the message id, you can filter out it message through a message id. Even you have a directory that you need to check it with the inbound and outbound. Also having a particular ip to filter out it, you can put it over there. Now you have the multiple option to extract the data, summary report, exchange summary report, and extended report. So I just click on the summary report. So it giving us that no data will be available for this. Now I think Ritik has never shared, so I can use the different mail id. Okay, so I just putting for example the my mail id and I want to check. Okay, so what I can do, I can put a Anjali mail id over here and just putting the search. That's strange. Nobody has sent a mail. So I just set up as a all and just select it. So it will give you the list of the sent mail from the mail ID. So I is showing that 29 uh, recipient is the Anjali, and mail is received from the defender. So what I can do, I can just copy this mail ID, okay, for defender, to extract the data, the exact data which comes from the defender one, and I can put it over here and just select. So it give you the list of the mail has shared through the defender no reply message at the rate microsoft.com. So I just click on it and I want to check the status of the sender, who is the sender of the sender mail id. I can see the recipient mail id, and the status is delivered or failed. If it is failed, that what is the exact uh, problem, that user will not be able to send it. So also you can see the date of the event, that receiver, dlp rules, and delivery. So it if you have put some rules, dlp rules, to prevent some or you can say the encryption of the confidential data that nobody will share outside the organization, or you can say the outside the organization user will not be able to send your confidential data. So you can use the DLP policy and other security policy to extract. Even you can check the more information about the message ID, size of the mail ID, the from IP that where he sent it. Also you can just click on the report message, it will automatically redirect to the security and compliance portal. Over there you can uh, investigate. It's depend upon that how which license that you are using. Basically investigation option, it comes with the defender feature, defender features, security and defender. So if you need to procure some advanced level of license to extract the more information about the attacks and more about information about the method that end user is using. So these options that you can use it to tracing the mail. If we have the custom queries options that is tracing the mail, you can easily, if you don't want to use this option from here, you can go to the custom. If you just go to the auto save, automatically saved your previous mails, so you can use this for your next period of time. If you want to download a particular stress report, so you just click on it and you can download it. So these things that you can use it for the message trace. Thanks for the watching this video. We'll discuss about the rule section in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.